back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to share you new year party makeup look, you can say, or you can wear it any party. So yeah, let's begin. So सबसे पहले मैं अपने चेहरे को मॉइस्चराइज करूँगी एंड आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस ब्लू नेक्टार का डे क्रीम. इट्स अमेजिंग. तो we'll start with this. So now I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild का foundation and I'll mix this little bit Swiss and Beauty का jelly highlighter for giving that dewy look. So yeah, I'll take a little bit of this foundation and then I'll mix this highlighter. With foundation, I'm gonna apply the concealer. It is from NYX SD Studio Photogenic Concealer and it is in the shade CW02. For setting the concealer and base, I'm gonna use this Lakme ka Ultra Matte Compact and I'll set concealer. So for eye makeup, I'm gonna use this in color ka Charming and Adore Me eyeshadow palette. You must have seen in my earlier video also. So first I'm gonna use this white color to set the concealer and giving a neutral look so that my colors, whatever I will apply, it will be more visible. Now I'm gonna apply this red color all over the eyelid. So now I'm gonna use this black color the outer corner of the eye. Blend it well. So now I'm gonna apply eyeliner. I'm using this Sugar ka eyeliner. It is in the shade Black Swan 01. Same color I'm gonna use down also. First this red color. Same black color. Mascara waterproof eyebrow pencil. It is in the shade 03 medium brown. So I will give the shape first and then we'll fill it inside. Now I'm gonna apply mascara. It is Maybelline ka Total Temptation waterproof mascara. I opened ulta. I think it is almost over. I need to buy a new one. So now I'm gonna apply bronzer. I'm using this Benefit Cum Mini bronzer which I recently bought and I'm loving this. So for blush and highlighter, I'm going to use this LA ka blush and highlighter palette. It is in the shade Sweet and Sassy. So I'll use this, I'll mix these two. Also I'm going to use the same palette. I'll mix these two colors. So for lip shade, I'm gonna apply this Nykaa ka lip shade. It is in the shade Wicked Wine. I love this shade. It is perfect for night look. So this is the final look for today's video, and this you can wear it any party, night party makeup look, and then new year, any party you are going, you can for sure carry this look. And yes, if you guys like this look, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to like and share the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.